Did you know a single phone call brought down America's biggest corporate fraud? In October 2001, Enron CEO Jeff Skilling lost his temper during a routine earnings call. When analyst Richard Grubman asked why Enron couldn't produce a balance sheet, Skilling called him an asshole on the recorded line. That outburst exposed cracks in the $74 billion house of cards. Behind the scenes, Enron was running the most sophisticated accounting scam in history. They used mark-to-market tricks to count future profits as today's money. Fake offshore companies hid massive debts. When whistleblower Sharon Watkins warned Chairman Ken Lay about the collapse, it was too late. Arthur Anderson accountants frantically shredded documents. Enron's stock crashed from $90 to pennies in weeks. 20,000 jobs vanished overnight. Skilling got 24 years in prison. The scandal was so shocking, it created the Sarbanes-Oxley Act, forever changing how companies report their finances.